Hi, and welcome to Zoho Analytics Business App Integrations. Zoho Analytics has a wide range of connectors. And in this video, we'll explore the Zoho Projects Connector to see how it turns your project data into actionable insights. With this connector, you can track your project timelines, task progress, active users, and much more. To set up Zoho Projects Advanced Analytics Connector, log in to Zoho Analytics. Click Import, navigate to the Project Management tab, and select Zoho Projects from the list. Give your workspace a unique name. Next, select the modules and fields you want to import, and decide how often you'd like your data to sync for near real-time updates. Zoho Analytics will securely import your data. After the data is imported, Zoho Analytics automatically generates reports and dashboards, giving you instant access to valuable insights. You can also build your own. For example, create a chart by dragging and dropping the right fields to the data shelf. Apply filters, and generate reports that reveal key project insights. For a deeper summary, create a pivot table by dragging and dropping the relevant fields to the data shelf. Click Generate, and your pivot table is ready. In seconds, you'll have a clear, interactive view of your project performance. Bring everything together with dashboards. Drag and drop your reports, add KPI widgets, apply filters. You can also customize your dashboards by changing themes and report colors to match your preference. With Zia Insights, your data is continuously analyzed to surface important trends and performance highlights automatically, and you can also share insights with your teams. Data blending. You can also blend your data with any other data you need. For example, you can combine it with Zoho CRM data to create unified reports. You can explore your data using Ask Zia, the AI assistant. Ask your question in plain language, and Zia responds with insights, along with a relevant chart or report. Thank you for watching. Want to explore more integrations? Visit zoho.com/analytics.